got a 78 El Camino, got a 350 Vortec, and what we did on it, got long tube headers, and it's got FLOWMASTER catalytic converters, 2 1/4 inch true duals all the way back. Customer brought his own used FLOWMASTERs, and we did 2 1/4 inch tailpipes all the way out. And we're bringing it back later on, put some nice Chevy tips on them. Just got to get the tips in, and that's how we got it. Let you hear in just a second.
Much better. El Camino FLOWMASTERs and high flow FLOWMASTER catalytic converters. If you want them, the link will be in the description.